With an astounding 30% rise in the previous 48 hours, Shiba Inu is lighting. And Coinbase enters the scene with an unexpected turn, just as the cryptocurrency world was preparing for a historic charge to the moon. The quest to surpass all-time highs had an unexpected detour. But what in the world just occurred? Okay, let's investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A rush of enthusiasm and eagerness has been caused by the recent rise in Bitcoin in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. The moment was well captured by a tweet that said, "Bitcoin is officially back." In less than 4 hours, the price of Bitcoin shot up from $60,000 to almost $63,000. Technically and psychologically, the break over $60,000 was significant and encouraged short covering. The importance of breaking over the $60,000 barrier was emphasized, along with the psychological effects and technical catalysts that caused a spike in prices. The extraordinary journey of Bitcoin was further underlined by a tweet from the crypto community, which noted that it is now 300% up from its 2022 low and just 9% away from its all-time high. What a significant development in the field of digital assets. In the middle of this frenzy, Shiba Inu, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency world, closely followed Bitcoin's ascent. Shiba Inu's price increased quickly in tandem with the most popular cryptocurrency's explosive climb. This coincidence demonstrated how linked the cryptocurrency market is, showing how the actions of one big player, like Bitcoin, may have a big impact on the future of other altcoins, like Shiba Inu. The cryptocurrency world kept a careful eye on Shiba Inu as it rode the wave of Bitcoin's increasing momentum, having lately eliminated zero from its pricing. And just as the cryptocurrency world was basking in the glory of Bitcoin's victorious upsurge and Shiba Inu's remarkable gains, an unforeseen incident rocked the market's fundamentals. Shiba Inu's hard-earned success was in risk of being wiped by this unexpected turn of events, which put it perilously near to raising its price by the just-erased zero. Everyone's most pressing concern is what in the world could have caused such a severe market collapse. This isn't just another upswing or decline. It's a crucial time with broad ramifications. However, what makes this market collapse so important, and how does it relate to the current bull run? Okay, let me clarify. A prominent cryptocurrency exchange called Coinbase was found to be at the core of the unrest as the cryptocurrency community struggled to recover from the market fall. There was a serious crash on the site, which had been a mainstay for several traders and investors. As a result, Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency asset owners saw that their balance was $0, which kicked off a series of events that sent shockwaves across the market as a whole. Coinbase assured consumers in a statement that their money were secure in the wake of the catastrophe, saying, "Your assets are safe," and admitting that they had been looking into the matter. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong addressed the incident on Twitter, providing details about the mayhem that had occurred. "We are dealing with a significant spike in traffic," he tweeted. "We apologize for any trouble you may have. The group is attempting to make amends." The acknowledgement of an increase in traffic provided an insight into the tremendous demand that exceeded even the platform's expectations. The Coinbase meltdown had an effect that extended much beyond its immediate users. With Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, falling by $4,000 in only 30 minutes, the whole crypto market shook. The consequences were severe. One tweet summarizing the seriousness of the situation said, "This is absolutely insane." In only 15 minutes, the Coinbase meltdown wiped $100 billion of the Bitcoin market capitalization. Do you have any idea how large this number is? This enormous market value drop occurred in less than 20 minutes, demonstrating the cryptocurrency market's susceptibility to outside shocks. Traders and investors are struggling with the unprecedented volatility as a result of the abrupt loss of such a large value, which highlighted the ecosystem's vulnerability. Amidst this disorderly environment, Shiba Inu was on the verge of almost increasing its price by the previously deleted zero. The stability that the society had worked so hard to attain was in danger of being destroyed by the market crisis. However, the Shiba Inu community showed remarkable fortitude in the face of the historic market meltdown brought on by the Coinbase tragedy. In defiance of all odds, they held on and resisted the downward pressure that might have erased the hard-won gains, particularly the news that Shiba Inu's price had lately dropped. Their steadfast resolve in the midst of this turbulent period is admirable. The tenacity of the Shiba Inu community demonstrates more than just their devotion to the currency. It also emphasizes how important community support is on a larger scale in the Bitcoin space. In contrast to conventional financial markets, where a small number of centralized authority may have more sway, cryptocurrency's decentralized and democratic structure gives its user base significant power. A cryptocurrency's destiny during trying times may be determined by the strength of its community. In the instance of Shiba Inu, the community's determined efforts were crucial in averting a possible decline. This is not a unique instance. The strength of a cryptocurrency's community determines how successful or unsuccessful it is. The cryptocurrency community is unique in that it is highly dependent on the attitudes, convictions, and behaviors of its members. In times of turbulence, a solid and encouraging community may serve as a buffer, absorbing shocks and averting panic-driven sell-offs. Conversely, a shattered or demoralized community may make matters worse and make it more difficult for a coin to turn over. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, sent out a follow-up tweet amid the commotion caused by the company's breakdown. His post described the actions being taken to recuperate from the unanticipated disruption in an attempt to rectify the problem and provide transparency. "Apps are now recovering," he said. "We load-tested our model after simulating a tenfold increase in traffic. This was more than that figure. Although maintaining over-provisioned services is costly, we must continue to work on auto-scaling solutions and eliminating any lingering bottlenecks. We appreciate your patience with us." Coinbase demonstrated its commitment to learning from the event and putting policies in place to avert such disruptions in the future by admitting the need for change and pledging to clear any lingering blockages. And the rehabilitation process started as everyone in the crypto world held their breath. Following the market turbulence, cryptocurrency assets started to stabilize. Especially impressive was Shiba Inu, which had been on the verge of adding its previously deleted zero. Unexpectedly, Shiba Inu had enormous increases in the past day, increasing more than 35%. This was a big jump that hadn't been seen in the market in a long time. This comeback was a fascinating turn in the continuing story of cryptocurrency. The quick rebound, especially with Shiba Inu's significant gains, demonstrated not just the cryptocurrency market's inherent volatility, but also the extraordinary resilience of digital assets. The course of events acted as a reminder of the unpredictable nature of the Bitcoin journey and the resilience of the community in the face of unforeseen adversity. Moments such as this highlight the resiliency and adaptation that define this dynamic and ever-changing terrain as the crypto world continues to expand. And this is a really significant point. The current market turmoil brought on by the Coinbase meltdown has highlighted how important it is to be more prepared and scalable in order to handle spikes in traffic within the cryptocurrency industry. Cryptocurrency environment. The rising popularity of digital assets and the rise in user engagement highlight the need for a reliable and expandable infrastructure. The Twitter community responded to Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's post outlining the recovery procedure with a wide array of remarks. Scaling is difficult, particularly when dealing with an uncertain market. Thus, one user expressed empathy, acknowledged the difficulties of dealing with unexpected market circumstances, and praised Coinbase's openness. The customer also appreciated the transparency and the company's dedication to ongoing progress. On the other hand, differing viewpoints surfaced, indicating a range of viewpoints on Coinbase's readiness. Certain people questioned the suitability of Coinbase's infrastructure by drawing attention to similarities with other exchanges. According to a user remark, "Brian, There are exchanges that witness multiple of Coinbase's traffic, providing spot-derived lending and a host of other services, and manage to operate seamlessly, pay what needs to be paid. This statement brought attention to this point of view. These divergent viewpoints capture the continuous discussion in the cryptocurrency world about the requirements and standards for exchanges. While some recognize the difficulties and complexities involved in scaling, others stress how important it is for platforms to make large investments in reliable infrastructure that can support the community's ever-increasing demands in order to consider the resilience and scalability of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. The conversation around these problems is critical to determining how the crypto industry develops in the future because it emphasizes the value of adaptation and constant development in a harsh and dynamic environment. Lessons learned from these kinds of instances will probably be crucial in determining future exchange norms and expectations as the crypto sector develops. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.